Hello YouTube. Today I got test out my new saw. It's a Dewalt DCS380B. It's a bad tool only since I already have a battery. So I'm gonna use this saw to trimming palm trees mostly and cut some limbs from trees. Also I got the Diablo blade. Lots of good things about it. So it's a 9-inch pruning. Okay. We put on the saw and test out on the palm tree. Alright, let's unbox and get it going. So this is the up close DCS380. Okay, so pretty much 20 volts. There you go. Put on the battery, and you have the 4-way there. Okay, mechanism to put the blade in there. You have the clamp over here. You lift it up, and it shows like 4 position in there to get in there. See that? There you go. Okay. This is with the battery on, 2 amp. Okay, Dewalt, and the blade put on. It's very powerful. Yeah. Let's see here. So this is Dewalt DCS380 fully charged battery pack. We're gonna get it done today with the palm tree distributor. Alright guys, so that is the use of the Dewalt DCS380B. Excellent. 1 pack of the battery. I still have let's see here. Oh, 1 bar left. So 2 trees, not bad at all. Lots of cutting, way better than chainsaw, the gas chainsaw. That thing is a little bit heavier. It's been easier to carry up and down. Alright, eh? So big good saw, great saw, lots of power, and get the Diablo blade and be good. Alright, clean up. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.